It's right
Not
here.
a single one.
It's right here.
Not a single one out of those 9 packs. So
Here we go. Cross your
got
fingers.
some work to do. Got some work to do.
Come on, Spider-Man.
Yeah, I gotta give you a Christmas
Do a flip.
miracle in here, right?
It won't open. Here we go. Randomized cards.
Or like a nice, you want them full art comic book flippers, you know what I mean? Like,
Lethal Protector. Yeah. Alright. Ooh, Eternal.
SPBR. Here we
There
go.
we go.
Future.
Future Flight. Not bad, yeah.
Black Cat. Comic panel.
Legend
On
of
the
the
ceiling.
Come on.
Rights of replication.
That's pretty fucking
Source
cool.
material.
Mantis do. Oh,
That's
ouch. Damn.
such good art.
That looks so cool, though.
Yeah.
You know what's really cool? When you copy a Terror Peak with that.
Look at that
Terror of the
right there.
Peaks. Yep. Game over.
Yep. No, that's a good one
All
right
right.
there.